Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. It's a boy who's who here again. I'm sorry, I'm actually laying down in my room. But I've been out for some time. I haven't really been trading much because I was sick for about 3 weeks, and as I keep telling you guys, trading is a mental thing, and the more you get that in your head, is the better for you. Now, what I wanted to do was I wanted to show you guys just a few tips and tricks about my strategy and how I continue my trading. The market is live right now. It's about 12 a.m. Sorry, 12 p.m. where I'm right now, and I trade sometimes between 10 to 12 a.m. and then I'll trade 7 to 8, and then I will trade 12 to 3 p.m. in the morning. Sorry, 12 a.m. to 3 a.m. in the morning. The reason why for some of those times is because during 12 a.m. to 3 a.m. is the London session, and that's where the market has a lot of people. That's when the market makes the moves I want. Um, 10 to 12 is more of my education session where I watch my go live and I pick up a few tricks here and there from the educators. Also, I do my own trading as well because that's when there's not a lot of people, there's a decent amount. The market is very slow in those times. Um, so yeah, now I've drawn up some support and resistance lines, excuse me, and I'll be showing you how I basically do these things in terms of my support and resistance. So I draw them up and on what time frames I look at them. The 7 to 8 p.m. is when my team trades. I'm always about teamwork, so we put together different ideas on how we go about. Now, let me just get straight into my where I am right now. So, all right, so I'm at 7:38. I think the last time you guys saw me, I was at about 4 something. I did some trades this morning. The results are down here. These $2 trades are I was testing out a new tactic. It proved well. I only had one lesson, and then I started going forward with it. So I'm about to show you guys it now. I've been doing it for some time, but I didn't really realize how consistent it really is. So I stopped doing it. So as you can see, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wins and only 2 lessons. So it's a very good day. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to mark up charts, support and resistance levels, how to read it on your broker, and how to read it on your trading view. Now you must have a trading view account. These are all the pairs I look at. I don't really trade all of them, but if I see a setup I like, I'll take them. The ones that are highlighted in red is what I really focus on. NZD USD, Euro USD, USD JPY, AUD USD. Those are the pairs I really focus on. Why? Because they're moving pairs. They move a lot. Especially when there's a lot of volatility in the market. So let me just go to my support and resistance and show you guys how I do that. Now we're looking at the 5-minute time frame, and one thing I can tell you about the market, guys, when something happens, it's not a coincidence. Now I tell you guys that the market has a time where it runs and it gets tired. All right, we call it the consolidation period. I could mark up some more support and resistance. For me, support and resistance is 2 touches, right? And what I mean by 2 touches, it must touch the line 2, 3. It can be more than that, but for the minimum for me is 2. Once I see it touch it 2 times, that's it. I know what to do. There are many areas I can mark up and show you guys. And support and resistance is not just a line. It's not just a line. It's actually a little box. Let me see if I can get the shape right. No. No. This is not it. It's not just a little line, it's a box. You understand what I'm saying? It's a little area where you know that hey, this can happen. I'll draw one down here, but you get the gist. One is enough. Now I'm gonna draw a bigger box as well. Let me draw it below this one. Now this is called a consolidation box. That's what I call it. If you're looking correctly and seeing what's happening now, market goes here one time, right? This this is an as a normal trader, this doesn't mean anything. But once it hits two times, you can sit and you can wait, 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 hits it again, hits it again, hits it again. That's four sell opportunities. The market is trying to come past this area right here, right? That's 504, 504. It's trying to come to 504. It's not passing 504. You understand? It comes back down. It breaks, breaks 504 now. This is when you know it's gonna take off. Let me zoom in a little bit. If you look right here, it comes up to here, closes, comes straight back down. It comes up to here, comes all the way down here, right? It closes here, opens, goes down all the way to here, retests. It still closes above that line. It retests. And then the next angle, it takes off, leaves. So it gives you the break and close, gives you the retest of that same level, and then it takes off. Nowhere. Once it breaks and closes above the 504, you know definitely that, hey, the market is not coming back down here. So this is just some of the things that I use to really tell what's happening. As I said, it breaks, closes above 504. And when I say closes, let me see if I can change the candlesticks for you. And let me zoom in because this is how you properly read your candles. Right? Let me see if I can zoom in to the best of my ability. This is as far as it goes. See, this is our support level right here now. The candle opens here, closes here. Opens here, closes above our support. Right? Opens here. As I said, it opens here, closes above. Once it gives you that open and close above the support, it's not coming back. If it comes back, it's going to come back for one candle, and that's the retest. Right? The retest. It's only coming back for the retest. And see, it opens here, closes above this support. This is the retest candle. Comes back down, closes below the support, opens here. Green candle closes. It's sky high from here. Not coming back down. As I said, this is the retest candle. So don't say, oh, all right, so it opens here and it closes here. But it comes back down here, so that means it's going down. No, it's not going down. Once it opens here and closes above this support, so I took out the body of the candle to make you see where it open and close. Once it closes here, comes here, the retest candle is this candle right here, and it comes back down and you see it close, you cannot say, oh, all right, it closes back below, so it's going down. No, it's not. Opens here, it's gone. This was just a simple retest candle. Let me switch back because a lot of persons don't look at the candles like this because you know, it's kind of straining to the eye. Let me see. Go back to candle. So you see what I mean? Closes up here, opens, retest, take off. That's how you know the end of the consolidation period. You understand? No, this is just how I trade. Um, and I got this from Christopher Derrick. I think he teaches price trap. You know, he was drawing up some boxes one day, and I was on his go live. I don't really watch him. This was when I was just starting, and I was like, no man. When he drew up his boxes, it made sense to me. So I'm like, all right, I can take a few lessons here and there. No, and a lot of persons get confused. They're asking, where does the candle really stop? Is it the wick or the body? The wick or the body? It's both. I could have drawn this box all the way come down to this wick. Alright? But as I said, it's not just one spot, it's an area. If I should put this box down here, it's an area. So it would be all the way down here to here. So if you see, look how many times candles touch this area of support right here. This is the area of support. Look how many times. 1, 2, 3. Even if you miss the first one, right? Because this is, you can't just say, all right, this is the areas of support, right? You can't just say it like that. You have to hit 2 times, 3 times. Even if you miss this one, you have to catch this one. Even if you see the wicks come down, it closes right there. That same 268 level. And we're reading this number over here. The last 3 right here. Alright? It goes back up to the resistance. Hits again. Remember, it's still in line, still in sync. This is how you read the charts. Still in sync. Look at that. Sorry, I'm having a bit of trouble. It still hits. Still hits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 5 times. And look again. These are opportunities to get in the market. These are what we look for. So this is called a consolidation box. This is what I call it. Consolidation box. Now, I'm going to move on to a different stage. Because when I'm trading and I'm looking, say I'm looking for opportunities. I don't really trade FRX because it takes a lot of time. I look for smaller consolidations and I look for um quicker time intervals. So let's just move to the market right now. Let's just move to the market right now. Now I was trading from morning, and as I said, I was testing it. I've been testing it for a while now, and this is AUDJPY. Area of support, area of resistance. This is the market happening now, you know. Area of support, area of resistance, area of resistance, area of support. Right? Now, let me zoom in to show you something a little bit closer. Look at these candles. 1, support, 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 support because it still closes above. Support. Alright? This one closes below. Hey, no problem. It's still there. You can still use the wick to wick. Support, support, support. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 opportunities of buying and selling. It didn't really touch up here a resistance now, but this support level, it was clear that a support was here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 areas you could go in for a buy. And these are 5-minute candles. So what I do is I wait for the candle to hit its lowest part. And how I do it is that I go for, let's say, the last 38 seconds of the candle is when I make my opportunity. Or sometimes I wait until the last 20 seconds before I enter the market, because sometimes what it will do, it will come right here. And when there's 20 seconds left to go, it come all the way down here and then bloops, go back. You understand? And I want the lowest entry possible. You understand? And people always say it's tricky trading consolidations. Why? Because they don't know when there's going to be a breakout. You understand? But if you're trading a consolidation period and you want to know when there's a breakout, you go on your currency strength meter. Right? You go on your currency strength meter. And we're looking at AUD JPY. Right? AUD is stronger than JPY. So you know that it is, let's say 70%, you're 70% sure that if there's going to be a breakout, it's going to be a breakout upwards. Because why? AUD is stronger than JPY right now. You understand? So it's come back down and respecting the same area, the wicks. Remember the wicks that I tell you about? You understand? And this is how I trade. Now, I'm going to show you a different one. This is where I made my money this morning. Right? Look at this beautiful consolidation period. Look at it. This has been going on from morning. This is where I took all my trades. NZD USD is so confused, it doesn't know where to go. It's been respecting 443 this whole time. It's been respecting 443 this whole entire time. You understand what I'm saying? It's been respecting that area this whole time. 443, 440. You see? You see that line right there? There's still 3 minutes left in the candle, so I wouldn't even jump in it right now, because it can still wick come all the way down here and then go back up. And I don't use currency strength meter anymore because I have my hourglass up from IM. So what I do is I look for NZD USD. Let me see. I look for NZD USD, and I look right now and I see that NZD is 64 and USD is 41. Now I finished trading, but I want to give you guys an example. So let's just wait. As you can see, it's already making its move. As I said, it's obviously that this is a support. There are too many times that we see the candle come down here and it doesn't pass it. It's obvious. It's struggling to pass this area. So what I do is I give it time and I wait. And I wait. And as I said, if there's a breakout, it's going to be a breakout upward. You understand? And another thing that you use as well, I haven't really talked about my indicators as yet, because I don't really like indicators as a, let me say, as something that people look at and say, hey, I'm taking this trade based on my indicator. Indicators are just here to help you. This is called a Bollinger Band. Right now it's below the average price. And it has been below the average price. The Bollinger Bands are getting smaller. That means the market is contracting the average price. And right now we're at the average price. Right? So it's squeezing. That means there will be a breakout pretty soon. Now, if it comes back down to 437, 436, I'm going to take it. And I can even show you on the chart. My broker is giving me some problems. Why are you doing this? Let's see, NGD, USD, NGD, USD. Where are you? I can't find it. I can't find it. There you go. Right, guys, it's giving me a bit of a problem. Now, also, next thing I should tell you guys, the momentum of the market. This line moves based off how many persons are in the market. If there's not a lot of persons, it's going to move really slow. So the moves that you're expecting, that's our entry. That's our entry. I'm sorry, it's moving a bit slow today. We were a bit early into our entry. Oh, we were a bit late. We were supposed to catch it at the right second, but as I said, guys, it's a simple strategy. We're in profits right now. As I said, all you have to do is wait. The market is only bouncing back and forth between two areas. It just goes down and it goes up. This is it's there, people. It's right here. As I said, these consolidation periods. This is where it's very, very easy to read the market. This is where you can say, "Hey, I'm going to make some money in the market today." Right? You can look for these. It's always gonna happen. The market always does it. It runs, it gets tired, and it runs again. And I know this is a 5 minute candle, and I'm really supposed to wait under 2 minute. I'm really supposed to wait and use 2 minutes or 3 minutes. But as I said, the market is moving kind of slow, so I wanted to take its time. You know, I wanted it to take its time. Um, I'm not sure what's happening. It's just, we won the trade, but it's moving slow. Yeah, it's lagging right now, guys. And so we're up to 747. As I said, I just did this one for an example because really I'm finished for the day. You know, I really am finished. See, we just won this one. So that's 11 and 2. I'm not supposed to be taking in more trades because of my compound plans. I've already hit my goal already for the day. So what I do once I hit my goal for the day and I have more sessions to trade, what I would do is I would just take my time and I would trade. I would even trade at $1. You understand? Because I've already made my goal. You know, you don't want to be greedy. When you're greedy, that's when you lose all your money. Once you hit your goal for the day, stop trading. Because as I said, trading is a mindset. Now let's go back to it. So as I said, guys, I've been trading NZD, USD. I can even show you. Look, that's all I've been trading from morning. NZD, USD, NZD. Everything is NZD, USD. And it's not saying that it's the best market to trade, really and truly. It's just that I saw the setup that I like, and I'm like, I cannot let this opportunity pass. I saw the setup, I like the setup, and I'm like, I'm gonna take this setup. You know, it's very simple. As I said, guys, it's consolidation, and I'm still watching to see what's happening with NZD and USD. As you can see, USD is still at 37, NCD is at 64. I'm not even taking trades off Cash Trap right now. I'm just using it because it updates the currency strength meter. It tells you what the dollar is doing. It tells you if the dollar is in at the same movement. You understand? So it's really telling you what the dollar is doing. As you can see, the dollar has been losing strength. It just has been losing strength. You understand? So it really tells you minute by minute what the dollar is doing. So I can know that, hey, is the dollar getting stronger? Is it getting weaker? You know? Normally I do take trades off Cash Trap. It's a very good app. I think it's the best app you can use to really, you know, make some money. Um, as I said, but what's gonna happen? Suppose Cash Trap is not calling out the trades correctly that day. You're gonna sit around and make no money. No, you have to figure out things on your own. You understand? It's a learning process. You know, I've logged on, I've watched my educators, and I can tell you guys, I have a job. I don't really watch them as much as I should, but when you do go online, it's always, learning. It's always something that you can gain from it. There's always something that you can gain from watching Millie Mills, DL Woods, Matthew Thayer, Taylor Max. Those are my educators. I watch them every time. I try my best to not miss a session because they teach you. Taylor Max and Matthew Thayer teaches you how to use cash trap. Simple, simple. Millie Mills, her what she does, she teaches you a different thing about trading, the different apps on IM, and she gives you little insights that you wouldn't be able to pick up on your own. So that's why I watch a DL Woods. I like how he trades because he freehands it. He can just look at a chart and say it's going this way, and then he shows you, it breaks it down for you. He's really the king of support and resistance to me. So every time I watch him, I learn something, you know. So as I say, guys, I'm not sure when this will break. This is actually the longest consolidation period I have ever seen. I have not seen any this long, you know. Um, I don't know. You guys can try it. I've taken it live. Um, if it comes back down again to this area of 434, I will take it for you guys to show you that this is a proven strategy. You understand? As I said, there's the proof down there. I've only missed out on two. See, the proof is right here in front of your faces, guys. I've only had two L's today. And you can see I'm not even lying. The dates are right there. They are right there. All the dates right there. I'm not lying. You know? 1 minute, 2 minute trades. It's setting up again, guys. But my broker is acting funny. Um, something 437. There's 2 minutes left in that candle. Let's check the currency strength again. I don't know, guys. I don't know if the broker or the internet or what, but it's acting strange. There's 2 minutes left in the candle. I'll wait it out. As I said, you don't want to rush it because you want the perfect entry. You want the perfect entry. I always want the perfect entry. I don't want to go in too early because as I said, I don't want to lose. I don't want to take any lessons. I took two already today. Um, There's still 1 minute and 36 seconds left. I think this will be my final trade. As I said, guys, I'm just taking these lives. I've finished for the day already. I'm just taking these lives so you guys can see that it's actually working. I want it to come down to 434. It's spiking. If it doesn't come down and we missed it, hey, we can wait. Let me just zoom in some more so you guys can see what the actual number is. It's at 440 right now. I really want it to come down to 436. I could get in now, but 30 seconds. It's at 438. It's holding 438. It's gonna make its move. Wow, my broker, really? Wow. I was trying to get in at 436, but it wouldn't let me. What did I tell you? 436. And we're using the last three numbers to the right of us. I was trying to get in at 436, but it wouldn't let me. My computer is acting up. I'm not sure if it's my computer or my internet. Uh, but as you can see, the line is acting strange. And we bingoed again, guys. See, proof, not lying again, not lying about my tactics that I use. Let's look on close. This is a real account, it's not fake. There you go again. That's my last trade. Guys, not sure if you want to use this, but this is what I do. I know what I'm talking about. I'll be hopping on more often. I have Zooms as well that I'm starting next week, Monday. I have Zoom calls that I do with people, other traders who want to learn. So you guys can hit me up. Follow my channel as well. All right, guys. So that's it for me. No more for now. Thank you, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.